What's going on YouTube? In today's video we're doing LeetCode problem 2828 and it's titled Check if a string is an acronym of words. And this is an easy level question and the description is given an array of string words and a string S. We need to determine if S is an acronym of words. So the string S is considered an acronym of words if it can be formed by concatenating the first character of each string in words in order. For example, AB can be formed from apple and banana because we're taking the first character of these words and they need to be in order to match our string S, which is AB. But it can't be formed from bear and aardvark. So we simply want to return true if S is an acronym of words and false otherwise. So pretty straightforward question. And here we have our example input 1, our string array of words. We got Alice, Bob, and Charlie. So again, we want to determine if the first letter of each of these words is going to equal our string over here, A, B, C. In this case, it does. So we have A, B, and C. They need to be in that order. And then we simply are just going to check to see if our string S is equal to the first characters of every word in this array in order. And if it is, then we output true. So this is a really straightforward question. The constraints, and it's going to only be lowercase English letters. So let's jump over to our IDE and get started. Alright, so I'm in IntelliJ. I copied over the problem and we're returning false by default if our string S is not an acronym of the first characters of each word in our list of strings called words. So to break this problem down, what we want to do is loop through each word in our list of words, and we want to capture the first character in each of these words and combine that to make one string. And then after that, we'll only have one evaluation, and it is going to be to see if all these characters added up into one string is going to equal our provided input of S. I'm going to start by creating a character array. I'm going to call this first characters because these are the first characters of each word in our list of strings. And this is going to be equal to the size of our words list. Remember, we're extracting the first character in each word, so therefore this array is going to be the size of how many words are in our list of string words. And then what I want to do is to begin to loop through our words list. And I'll just use a traditional for loop to do that. And again, what we want to do is extract the first character in each word within our string list of words. So to do that, I'm going to create another char array. I'll just call it array, or ARR for short. And we're going to do words.get, and we want our index. We're getting each word within our array. But we're going to say to char array because we want each word within our list of string to be a char array, and then the only character that we're concerned with is the first letter of that char array. So we'll use our first characters char array that we created, and we're going to say that the first character set I is going to equal our array at 0 because that is the first character or the first letter in the word. And once we're done looping through our list of strings, then we'll have a character array that is going to have all of the first letters in each word in order. And then what we want to do is convert our char array into a string. And the way that we can do that is we can just create a string. We'll say string str, and it's going to equal the string.value of, and we'll pass in our array. So we'll pass in first characters. And now we only have one evaluation to do, and that is to see if our string is equal to our input of string S. And if it does equal it, we'll just return true. Otherwise, we'll fall out and return false.
Soundstripe.